H500M supports two 200mm fans on the front. Those did not prove effective at all. They do not push, they did not penetrate enough. They cannot break through the obstacles. They are not RGB. Those are very difficult to find, they're very rare. 140 is just, I think it's gonna work better in this case. These 140s, and any 140s actually to that matter, are the best middle ground. Like, you've got the best airflow, the best size, the best penetration. So having 6 of those is great, it's just great, so it's a big advantage. Even if my computer is 100% load with 3090 here, you know, this thing gets hot. Even having this on 60% is enough. Having these fans on 60% means they are quiet, but still the airflow is great, so everything is cool inside. So amazing. Like, I could not achieve this with my H500M with those 200mm fans on the front and one 140 on the back and a couple of small ones on the top, so great.